Okay, so to tell you where we are. This is the Isle of Wight here, and you'll see here is the Solent. This is Southampton water. Southampton is a big port. Portsmouth is a big port. Portsmouth is here, so we are located about here, just at the entrance. What we plan to do is basically we go out today from Portsmouth and we sail over to Cowes, which is here. Tomorrow we could go either down here to Newton River, or we could try out Bully River on the other side, or we could go to Lymington or to whatever. So that's just down here, sail a little bit down here. That's not a long stretch, maybe 2-3 hours or so. And on Monday we can then go back the whole way to Portsmouth. So what we're going to do, we're going to go out here, take the small boat channel, then use the swashway down here, and then go up the Solent and come into Cowes here. We go up to East Cowes, that's on this side up here.
This is it. We're about to get started. Everybody's keen. Katrin is ready. You look like a Skihasel.
Ich suche immer den Schneefang bei der
Bow and the stern line.
Alle gut eingepackt?
Alles klar?
Danke für das. Ja, really happy.
Top war wie 25. Hast du noch Rücken?
Ian, if I borrow you my shorts.
It's a centidegree higher. It's 14.6 now here. So
Oh, come on.
come on.
It changed my profile picture.
Everything under control again? Yeah, luckily we have nothing.
And we always sort of go, oh, it's so, and it was warmer than this.
Yeah.
And you sort of appreciate it more, because if it's just hot all the time, if you're living in California, it's like, oh, hot again, you know, but when you're here or in Germany or wherever up in the north.
In Switzerland?
Yeah, in Switzerland.
Oh, come on, bar.
Come on, keep pumping.
That's the law.
Come on, go.
Go and get us some girls.
Like a bathtub.
I think we're heavy enough of this thing. So, da lasst ihr auch, hä? Gib Gas, viel Spaß.
Nein! Ich kann nicht ab.
Schneller!
Ja.
Show us what you got. Show us what you got.
Wie ist denn das?
Perfect place.
Oh, wait,
Ja, wat een gek. No mooring, dat dürfen wir nicht.
Another spring ball here tonight.
Anything else? Any ketchup, mayonnaise?
The sale was brilliant. The cake was amazing. The cake was fantastic. I've never had that kind of cake.
You know the word? Weyer. Weyer. It wasn't the cake, it was a weyer.
Okay. Well,
Weyer.
that thing was amazing.
The apple thing was amazing. Strudel.
I think all the people would like to ask me, why does this guy always wear sunglasses?
Me?
Yeah. Oh, you do?
It's very,
so-
very sunny today.
It's hard work, huh?
It works if you kneel down and then don't bend.
Look at that.
Yeah, great.
Piece of cake.
What?
Morning, Clark. Good.
Close call. That was a close call.
Is goed?
Wird wahrscheinlich so bleiben.
If you like, you can go downstairs.
Sieht man jetzt 10 Meter gerade?
Ja, 10, ja.
This is how to rent camera gear. With solid gear like this.
Yeah, I know.
Klicker am Ausbildung gehört.
Ja.
Oh mein Gott.
Das ist das, was hier noch zu erleben ist, dass hier... You know the Hungarian guy who plays guitar and sails around the world? No. He earns his money busking.
I only know 2 songs though. I'm sure as everybody walks past that, it's like, right, so that's what most guitarists do, isn't it? Two songs. If you're a busker, they don't stay long.
It's a lot of sheep. Yeah, they surrender. Yeah, they don't fight, they surrender. But they, it's a terrible.
HMS Victory is the only surviving ship to have fought in the Napoleonic Wars, the French Revolutionary War, and the American War of Independence.
No, I can't hear it. This is the anchor hoist. What shall we do? Sailor, what shall we do? What's
Here we have Captain Hardy's room. Captain Hardy was in command of HMS Victory in the battle for Trafalgar. His room would be transformed into a battle station if there was a battle. The ship measured just over 277 feet long and was about 50 feet wide. It could accommodate 830 men, most of whom lived in uncomfortable and cramped conditions. About 26 miles of rigging was needed on HMS Victory, along with 800 pulley blocks. The head is a ship's toilet. The name derives from sailing ships in which the toilet area for the regular sailors was placed at the headboard. HMS Victory was originally fitted with almost 100 powerful cannons. Today, only one of these cannons is still on the ship, as the weight of them all would damage the ship in a dry dock. Here's Admiral Nelson's room. It would be transformed in the same way as Captain Hardy's room in case of a battle. Admiral Nelson had a special bed. Because he only had one arm, he preferred these kinds of beds, since he could get in and out easily. The crew drank wine and beer instead of water, which would go bad. The crew did eat meat, but it was often very tough and hard as a result of being stored in large salt barrels. HMS Victory had 4 decks, including the quarterdeck in the back. As you can see, the crew slept very tight together and in very bad conditions. And finally, here we have the carpenter shop.
Great day sailing.
Toothbrush and stuff. How much toothbrush?